Tonight at 11, we reported how one of Casey Anthony's prosecutors was accused of helping set up one murder defendant.
Yeah, now in our Problem Solvers follow-up this morning, investigative reporter Tony Pipitone reveals how that same prosecutor withheld evidence from another accused killer.
If Benjamin Smith gets a new trial in the 1996 murder of 15-year-old Glennie Tapley, it would not be the first time a conviction obtained by Assistant State Attorney Jeff Ashton would be tossed aside because law enforcement did not play fair. In Smith's case, Ashton's key witness is now recanting her identification of Smith as the shooter, saying police coerced her into picking Smith and that Ashton told her not to reveal she was paid a $3,000 reward in exchange for her testimony.
It never happened.
Ashton denies it and testified last week that if he knew the key witness felt threatened by police during lineups, he would have told Smith's defense.
So why would you have brought that up?
Clearly that's Brady material that, is no real question that that's something the defense would need to know.
Brady material, named for a 1963 Supreme Court case, requires prosecutors to disclose evidence that helps the defense. But in 1999, a year before Ashton obtained Smith's conviction and life sentence,
I don't chase rabbits.
Ashton had his conviction and death sentence for John Huggins thrown out because he concealed crucial evidence, Brady material, from Huggins' defense. Huggins, later sentenced to death anyway after a retrial, carjacked and murdered Carla Larson in 1997, stealing her truck, which Huggins' ex-wife claimed she never drove. Angel Huggins was her ex-husband's key accuser, but when Ashton learned someone thought he saw Angel driving Larson's truck, he kept it secret from the defense. He was scolded in this Florida Supreme Court decision, which reminded prosecutors to ensure each defendant receives a fair trial, an obligation justices said Ashton failed to fulfill. At last week's hearing, Smith's former attorney testified he did not trust Ashton, and his current attorney reminded Judge Bob LeBlanc of Ashton's previous lapse, attempting to support his claim that police and prosecutors can conspire to put an innocent man behind bars. In Orange County, Tony Pipitone, Local 6.